Applications for repurposed shipping containers are numerous and endless. It all depends on individual need and creativity. In this video, we bring to you an amazing beachfront container home in San Pedro, Belize. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing container beachfront house. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This out-of-the-box living experience in a shipping container house is a slice of paradise located 4 miles south of San Pedro, Belize. The house is built using 2 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side, sitting on a concrete pier foundation. The house is raised more than 2 meters high above the ground to elevate the containers away from moisture. In addition, the elevated height provides an ideal space for underneath parking or beachside loungers to enjoy the cool breeze of the sea or watch the amazing boats pass by. Since the home is raised off the ground, a large staircase leads to the front door from the private parking lot. This open-concept container house is a spacious studio apartment with a kitchen, a living area, a bed space, and a big bathroom flowing together. The home design and fixtures give it a modern urban feel, while the minimal decor keeps the space uncluttered and bright with just a hint of Texas and Belizean flair in the native hardwood cabinets. The interior container walls were cut out to create a large open living area, killing any notion of an interior space inside a shipping container box. The home's contemporary kitchen has full-size stainless steel appliances, beautiful Belizean hardwood cabinets, concrete countertops, and it's fully stocked with everything essential for a fully functioning kitchen. The kitchen is fronted with a sizable kitchen island with stools, ideal for a breakfast bar that serves also as a home's dining area that can comfortably seat 3 or more depending on configuration. The kitchen island can also be used as a working table for the visitors. The living area has a cozy lounge space defined with a cowhide floor mat, a full-size sofa bed, a custom-designed coffee table made from a tree stump. There is a television mounted on the wall for your entertainment. The living room is one big, bright, open space fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass doors which flood the space with adequate daylighting and provides natural ventilation, whereby the glazed openings can slide open to allow cool breezes from the sea to keep the space cool during hot weather. The space has ceiling fans to also make the room windy and breezy. The bed is off the living area, located behind the wall, big enough to accommodate a comfortable queen-sized bed with under the bed storage cabinets, a small sitting area, and a second flat-screen TV mounted on the wall. The cozy bed space is illuminated by natural light through the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors that offer breathtaking views to wake up to every morning, in a naturally lit, bright bed space. There's also a closet space next to the bed where you can store all the clothing plus personal effects. The bathroom is next to the bed space and is a big modern space with a concrete vanity countertop, a toilet, and a roomy tiled stand-up shower stall. This house is not big but sizable. It is definitely cozy and well designed to embrace the amazing million-dollar views of the sea and the coastal landscape. The sliding glass doors open onto a big outdoor sitting space fitted with patio chairs and table, an ideal space for outdoor dining, family lounge space, or a nice place to read a book or sip a glass of wine as you soak in the cool breezes from the sea. A container corrugated roof remains as the ceiling of the house, giving the space an industrial feel. The interior of the house is painted white to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. The design retains the original container plywood floors, which are polished with red epoxy paint to give the house a sleek, modern interior. The red painted floors give a nice contrast against the white painted interior, creating a nice, modern interior space anyone can call home. The house has an east-facing veranda covering the entire length of the home, a perfect place to use the gas grill to enjoy sizzling suppers and intimate dinner parties. Alternatively, you can chill on the beach loungers during the day to enjoy sunbathing or reading a book on your own private beach. The house has a long jetty with piers that is right in front of the house, leading to a nice Palapa Shelter, a great place to waste time, catch the sea breezes, or watch the boats pass by. There's even a little swing under the Palapa Shelter to lazy around or drift off on a warm afternoon. This beautiful home is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $250 per night. Feel free to check it out through the link in the description below. Which part of this container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.